Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the SQL Server system databases. In SQL Server, system databases are essential for the operation of the SQL Server environment. They store a wide variety of information that ensures the SQL Server instance runs smoothly. There are 5 main system databases in SQL Server. Inside the Object Explorer area of the SQL Server Management Studio, if you click on the plus next to the databases folder, you will see the option for system databases. So if I click on the plus next to that system databases folder, we can see there are some system databases listed. The first one here is the master database. The purpose of the master database is to hold the overall system configuration for the SQL Server instance. It records all the system level information for an instance of SQL Server, including system configuration settings, login accounts, and the existence of all other databases, including the location of their data and the log files. The master database is critical for the operation of SQL Server, so damaging the master database can result in the SQL Server instance failing to start. Next, we have the model database. The purpose of the model database is to serve as the template for all databases created on the SQL Server instance. Any objects, settings, and configurations present in the model database will be automatically included in any new databases created. Customizing the model database can streamline and standardize the configuration of new databases as per organizational standards. System database is the msdb. This database is used by SQL Server Agent for scheduling alerts and jobs, and by other features such as SQL Server Management Studio Mail, the Service Broker, Maintenance Plan, and more. It primarily supports tasks related to backup and restore operations. Also, SQL Server Agent jobs, Service Broker, and log shipping. Any damage to this msdb database can affect scheduling of jobs and maintenance tasks within the SQL Server environment. The next system database is the tempdb. The tempdb is used to hold all the temporary data, such as temporary tables and stored procedures. It is also used for sorting and grouping operations when sufficient memory is not available. Each time the SQL Server is restarted, the tempdb is recreated from the model database. The performance of the SQL Server can be significantly affected by the tempdb, especially in systems that make heavy use of temporary objects or complex joins. Proper configuration and sizing of the tempdb are crucial for optimal SQL Server performance. The next system database is known as the resource database. This is a hidden database. The resource database is a read-only hidden database that contains all the system objects that are included with SQL Server. These objects are physically stored in the resource database, but logically appear in the sys schema of every database. The resource database makes upgrades to new versions of SQL Server easier by isolating system objects from user objects, minimizing the changes that can affect user data during the upgrades. These system databases are fundamental to the management and operation of SQL Server instances. Backing them up and ensuring their integrity is crucial for maintaining a healthy SQL Server environment. Regular backups, especially of the master, the msdb, and the model databases, are recommended to safeguard against data loss and to ensure quick recovery in case of failure. So that's it for this video. In this video, I gave you a quick introduction to the system databases in SQL Server. Thanks for watching.